In this video, I will tell you how you can upload your monthly duty roster into your Google Calendar. I just uploaded a screenshot of my monthly duty roster into ChatGPT, and I give a prompt, extract my duty for the month of August. So it's created a Excel file. It's mentioned my right duties. Then I give a prompt, can you create Google Calendar file for all duties? So here the file is created. I just click on a file. The file is downloaded. I open it, and this is my Google Calendar. I just open. It's give me the all duty shift here. Add all. Okay. Okay. All duties are added in my calendar. So let's go and see my calendar. Oh. Hey, you can see my all duties are listed. Wow, that's good. So how easily you can update your Google Calendar. Thank you for watching this video.